we got so many views.
We got 28 views.
No, we got 34 views actually, and 2 likes. That is good enough for this channel, because our channel is way behind all the other channels. Like, all the channels are high.
Yeah, so we thank you guys for this opportunity. So now, let's get on with the video. Bye!
But if Vile gets any hint that I'm colluding with Acme, who knows how they'd retaliate. It might be best to trick Julia and keep her out of the way. Jules? Listen, I am the operative sent here to steal the beluga caviar for Vile.
I don't understand. Why would you be stealing for Vile?
That's all I can tell you right now. Please, I'm trusting you with this information. You just have to trust that I have my reasons.
They had better be good ones, Miss Santa Rosa.
Jumbled and jumbled.
Monsieur has requested that we prepare the caviar.
I've got eyes on the eggs.
How are you gonna bag the beluga?
Stop it!
I could stash it and sneak it out, or grab it and dash out.
We have to grab it and dash out, because the way they've been plating, she won't be satisfied.
I need to decide
If
quickly.
they're plated, basically, if they're plated, then she has to wait, then she has to eat them in one day. She may not be satisfied, and our friends might get brainwashed.
Mademoiselle, stop! The caviar must be plated.
No!
Stop here!
No, don't stop us!
I think I'll take the
This is
scenic
for
route.
our own friends' good. Don't die, I don't want to die. I want to. We shall die.
Reeled in the baby belugas.
Please stand by for further instructions.
No, we're at the airport
Claire,
now.
any clues where Violet
We're
would
not
be
gonna
keeping
do
Zack and
anything
Ivy?
for you
Nothing
until-
yet. I'm scanning for any
until our
matches
friends-
of these types of bricks and windows.
Until
running out of
we
time.
know that our friends don't have the bricks and stuff.
I'm not stealing anything else until I see further proof that my friends are safe.
Very well. You know, gruel's really not too bad if you pretend it's ice cream.
You said it tasted like cold chicken before.
That was pretend leftovers, Ivy. I'm enjoying pretend dessert right now. See, they are fine. Satisfied.
Yeah, you all
Very.
win.
Claire, incoming.
Compare and contrast the 2 images. Look at the sunlight through the window. We spoke to Zack and Ivy at 2 completely different times of day.
Ah,
But
that
what are
is
the chances
smart.
we get the exact same amount of light both times?
It could be a fake out.
Or they're being held in the one place on Earth where the sun is up all day and all night this time of year.
Scanning hard drive for any Vile locations above the Arctic Circle. I found a match.
What do you want to do, Brett?
We launch a risky rescue mission right now, or we steal for Vile one last time and seal our deal.
Let the still survive one last time.
What do you want, Dr. Bellum? Launch codes? Bioweapons? A device that replays cat videos on loop?
I want you to throw me a bone, which is why I'm sending you to Hell Creek, Montana, in the U.S. of A. to retrieve a dinosaur bone.
Dinosaur bone? How are we gonna get that? It's gonna eat her.
Actual soft tissue still intact.
You're not going to try to clone.
If anyone is going to attempt this feat of nature,
You
it
don't know
will be
what
me.
the whole people in this world. We only have coronavirus.
I'm going to Hell Creek.
Please don't eat us.
Montana comes from the Spanish word for mountain. And a bajillion years ago, Hell Creek was one of many where dinosaurs roamed.
Oh, some bit silent. Silent.
Hip bone,
Science.
thigh bone. Where on earth could this T-Rex be? Aha. Incoming.
And we have our dino.
They're airlifting it. Think you can pinpoint a likely destination?
Looks like there's a research lab about 200 miles away from you.
We're
What's
gonna
your
have
play?
to hitchhike.
I could. find the lab and steal the bone there, which could be risky if it has high security, or I can try to catch the plane before it takes off, which is risky and dangerous.
We have to get it risky because we don't want to get our bones cracked. Let's find
Plane
the
will
lab.
leave. It's now
We
or
are
never.
finding the lab.
Tick-tock,
Into the
Miss
lab.
Sanding.
No!
You've been in Montana for an entire
have
afternoon,
Disney.
yet you still have not procured the dinosaur bone. How have you always managed to one-up us with such inefficiencies?
I don't usually work alone.
I hadn't considered how reliant you've become on your own operatives.
They are not operatives. They are my friends.
Oh, I thought you were
we have to
making
do
a
this
fuss.
again because I think I told the
I could find the lab and steal the bone there, which could be risky if it has high security, or I can try to catch the plane before it takes off, which is risky and dangerous.
We have to find the lab.
Oh, that's what we did.
Tick-tock, Miss San Diego. You've
Bye-bye.
been in Montana for an entire afternoon, yet you still have not procured the dinosaur bone.
We don't usually
How
walk
have you
alone.
always managed to one-up us with such inefficiencies?
I don't usually work alone.